Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. On the left, we are on Old Hope Road, heading towards heading from Ligani towards Papi. On the left is the Standpipe community, and now coming up on the left is Shoppers Fair, which is a supermarket, and there's a plaza over there, very small plaza. It's a small Shoppers Fair supermarket too. Alright, so we are on Old Hope Road. That's the St. Margaret's Church on the left. On the right is Elite Diagnostic. What's probably the most famous place on Old Hope Road is, well, the second most famous is where you see all those cars. That's KFC, that's Kentucky Fried Chicken. They're the #1 franchise in franchise in Jamaica. But the most popular place on Old Hope Road, well, did you guys see that? That manhole has no cover. It's a good thing somebody put a branch in it so that cars don't drive in there. That is so dangerous. Alright, so the most popular place or location on Old Hope Road is Jamaica College, which is where the school we're passing on the left. A very prominent and prestigious high school in Jamaica. And this is the main gate here on the left. On the right is the Mona area or Mona community. It's a lot of residential homes over there. So on the right is Mona, on the left is Hope Pastures. All of this property used to be a part of the Hope Estate hundreds of years ago. So everything up here, most of the areas have the name Hope in it. And this is the Ligani Plains, geographically, so that's why you have the Ligani area. So on the left now you have a lot of government agencies. You also have Hope Gardens. You turn left here to go into the Hope Gardens. Sorry, not here. Up at the stoplight, you turn left. So on the left now is RADA, which is a Rural Agricultural Development Program. Here is where you turn to go into Hope Gardens. And today is a holiday in Jamaica, so some event or party must be going on here. Why there's so much activity. Let's see what's going on. Okay, now that's something you don't see every day. That taxi just made an illegal turn across 3 lanes right in front of the police. The police actually stopped for him to make that illegal turn. I don't know what event it is. There's no sign up. But whatever it is, it seems to be a very big event because a lot of cars are going over there. Alright, so on the right there's the sign Welcome to Mona. On the left is the Hope Complex, where you have the Ministry of Agriculture and Fisheries, Jamaica Bauxite Institute, a lot of government agencies. This is not the first time. I mean, I guess it happens all the time, but the police officer stopped so that the taxi could make an illegal turn on the main road. In some countries, the person would not make that turn when they see the police, and 2, in some countries, the police would give them a ticket. I mean, it's just unbelievable sometimes what goes on the roads in Jamaica. Alright, so up here now is the Hope United Church, the Mona Prep School. Okay, I'm assuming this is another entrance to, wow, something really big is going on up here. See all the vendors set up on the outside. Let's see what this sign says. Race for Hope, 5K run, but I don't think that's it. I'm not sure if those two, that has the same thing to do with Hope Gardens. But a lot of festivities are going on in Jamaica. Okay, so on the left now is UTech, University of Technology. So we're going into Papine now, and Papine is what you'd call a college town because you have UTech here, and if we turn right at the stoplight, we go down to University of the West Indies. And Papine, I guess you could say, is a major town that serves the both